Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 28 of the 30-day meditation journey. My name is Tamara Hansen, and thank you for committing to this journey. I know it can be tough, but if you just keep going with it, you'll be creating a new habit for yourself. If you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1. And for the introduction, also, if you're looking for more of a deep dive into self-love and into meditation, please click the link in the description box below to see my online meditation and self-love workshops that you will have unlimited access to. So let's get ready to meditate. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 minutes. You can lie down or sit up. Just make sure you are comfortable. You're not too hot or too cold, and you will have some peace and quiet for about 10 or 15 minutes. So close your eyes when you are ready and take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, just relaxing the body, relaxing the mind and the emotions. Take another deep breath in through the nose and exhale. Just releasing your day, releasing your week, releasing any stuck energy in your body. And you could take another deep breath. Exhaling out. Just relaxing. Relaxing into this moment, relaxing into where you are sitting or lying down. And just continue to breathe nice and easy. Just allowing the breath to flow, allowing your body to relax with every breath, with every inhale and exhale. Just allowing your body, your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, just let it all go. Just release. If a thought or emotion comes up for you, then just observe it and let it go. Let it be what it is. Now bring your awareness deep into the heart center. And find your presence, your now moment. Not thinking of the past, not thinking of the future, just right now. This moment right now is the most important moment. This is your current awareness. Just be in this moment. Be in this body. Just ground yourself right here, right now. There's nothing to think about. There's nothing to plan. Just be present. Keep breathing. Continue with your inhale and exhale, allowing that breath to flow into your heart center, into this present moment of awareness. And continue to breathe, allowing that breath to nourish you. Now begin to allow your state of awareness to expand beyond you. Feel that expansion coming from your heart center and moving outwards towards the universe, the all that is, the cosmos. Become aware of the vastness of the universe. Expand your awareness outwards and continue to expand it. Sense all around you the feeling of limitlessness. Sense the universe. Sense being at one with the universe. And just stay here, basking in this expansion. Continue to feel that expansion. Continue to feel and sense and expanding your awareness out into the universe. Your connection to the universe. Continue to breathe, flowing that breath through the heart center and then further out into the universe, just allowing that breath to flow. Feeling that expansion, the limitlessness. Now you can stay here as long as you like, or if you are ready to come out, then begin to bring your awareness back into the room, back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. And then rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Thank you for being here. Namaste.